Hello, welcome to Taylor's video. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to harvest this dragon fruit. Okay, this from flower to fruit today is about 48 days. So it's ready, and you feel it. It's firm but a little bit soft. I think it's quite ready for it. Now look at this. It's very nice. It causes minimum damage to the main branch itself, and it looks beautiful, isn't it? Probably you can see all my dragon fruit got covered by a little net. In Australia, we got plenty of birds like cockatoos and possums. Also other birds can eat dragon fruit. So when you cover this, it gets minimum damage. So perfect. I'm very excited with my first harvest, which is not many, but I'm going to show you my friend Charlie's dragon fruit farm with lots of dragon fruit. This is Charlie. He and his wife are the real experts we have known in growing dragon fruits. We thank them for their generosity and, most importantly, sharing their valuable knowledge with us. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumb up and share to others. In my next video, I'm going to show you why some dragon fruit been growing for years, it doesn't bear any flower and fruits. So please subscribe to my channel and share to others. Thank you very much.